How to unlock a element. So I'm trying to select different elements at the same time, and I'm grabbing this one, the bottom, but this image it's locked, so it's not letting me select. The way to unlock it, it's you go in the right menu, and in design you click on it, and you will find all the text, all the components, elements that you have. You will find the one that is blocked with these lines, and to unlock it you are going to click on this lock. Just by clicking is going to let you to unlock that component. So now it's going to let me copy different elements.